Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily change video settings in Doodly. So let's start. The first way how we can change video settings is go to bottom left to the settings, and right here you're going to see resolution on the right side, and here you can simply go to 720, 1080, and you're going to see the width and height, Facebook, Instagram, or custom. You can really choose which one you want, and then you simply apply the settings, and that's how you can do it. And also here in the video settings you can simply change your background style. You can enable or disable subtitles, and you can also choose if it's going to be left-handed or right-handed, and then cartoon hands, real hands, you can edit that too. So this is pretty much it, how you can work with it on Doodly. If you can have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.